Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you people? Studying day and night? Revising the key dates, key people, memorizing the works, years, so many things in one single brain. So this short video is basically dedicated to the complete works of our beloved Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope is a very important writer when it comes to the NTA UGC NET exam. He has been asked, he should be asked, he must be asked because he is such an important writer of the English literature. Alexander Pope belongs to the 18th century, the neoclassical age where mock heroic was there, satire was there, along with that heroic was there, comedy of manners shrink to stature, periodical journals and clubhouses, tea, coffee, everything that we call modern today was at its origin at that time. So Alexander Pope lived during a very fruitful, I should say, pre-modern time. And he was a modern indeed, very short in height, but very crisp in tongue. You cannot ignore him. You cannot even ignore him even today. He was short, but not short in stature that he has. So this, without wasting time, let us get into the complete works of Alexander Pope. I will try to be as quick as possible but as substantial as possible. So to begin with, we have the very first work of Alexander Pope, that is Pastorals. Pastorals. The question might pop up here and there that pastoral, the work Pastoral, where it was published. It was published in Jacob Tonstone's Poetical Miscellanies, and this work came out in 1709. Let me ring the bell of memory. 1709 is important. Why it is important? Because we have the first periodical journal, the Tatler, coming out during this age. And after that, we have Pope's another important work, that is an essay on criticism. An essay on criticism. An essay on criticism. This sounds like an essay, but tell you it is not. It is a didactic poem written by Alexander Pope, written in heroic couplets, deals with the history of criticism from Aristotle to William Walsh. This work came out in 1711. ये शॉर्ट वीडियो आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगी मेमोराइज करने में, क्रिस्प वे में एलेक्जेंडर पोप के एंटायर वर्क्स को. वी विल नॉट बी गोइंग इन द डिटेल बिकॉज द डिटेल्स आप पढ़ ही चुके हैं और मैं पढ़ा ही चुकी हूँ. तो दिस वीडियो इज द सीरीज ऑफ द मेमोरी वीडियोज दैट वी आर रनिंग टू अराइज एंड अवेक द मेमोरी. So an essay on criticism, 1711. Another important year by Spectator by Joseph Edison and Richard Steele came out, 1711, after periodical journal Tatler. अब Alexander Pope का फर्स्ट वर्क कब है? 1709. सेकेंड वर्क कब है? 1711. एंड थर्ड वर्क, द मास्टर वर्क, इज द giant poem Rape of the Lock, very representative of the 18th century lifestyle. Rape of the Lock, Cutting of the Lock, we have Lord Peter and Arabella Fermor, known as Belinda and Lord Baron. So, Rape of the Lock, you must know, came out in 1712. But it was in 1717 only that it was published with entire 5 cantos. This is a giant work, very important work, dedicated to John Carlyle. It's a mock heroic poem written the way Dryden has written Macflecknoe and Absalom and Achitophel. We have the major characters here. We have Belinda and Baron. And after that, there's another important detail that I would like to share about Alexander Pope. That is his acquaintance with the Scriblerus Club. Scriblerus Club basically had another writers. It's a group formed by writers of 18th century. For example, Jonathan Swift, John Gay, John Arthur and Thomas Parnell. These people came together and initiated this Scriblerus Club. Scriblerus scribble karna, to mock at, to satirically deal with the lesser known poets, to sort of criticize a false taste. ऐसा ही एक वर्क है जो कि ड्राइडन ने लिखा है. मुझे इस वर्क का नेम जानने में बहुत खुशी होगी कि नेम द वर्क रिटन बाय ड्राइडन दैट आल्सो एम्स टू सैटिराइज द फॉल्स लर्निंग प्रेजेंट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. And after that, we have Windsor Forest. Windsor Forest is basically a poem written in, or it's a first political poem written by him. Let me write Windsor. We have Windsor Forest. ये फॉरेस्ट जंगल नहीं है. दिस इज बेसिकली द हंटिंग ग्राउंड ऑफ एरिस्टोक्रेटिक पीपल. ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम Englishmen were very much fond of hunting. They sort of created their own farmhouses, lived there lavishly and did hunting. So it was basically a hunting ground, very famous hunting ground for English people. And it's a first political poem written by Alexander Pope, and it is to celebrate the coming upon the throne, the rule of Queen Anne. So यहाँ पर मैं बात करना चाहूंगी इनके नेक्स्ट वर्क जो कि एक PYQ भी है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बैथोस. बैथोस जो इनका वर्क है, दिस अ पैरोडी ऑफ पेरी बैथोस. दिस वर्क इज बेसिकली अ पैरोडी upon Longinus on the Sublime. On the Sublime is a Q work of हमारा जो क्रिटिसिज्म है, जहां पर हम बात करते हैं कि हाउ वी कैन अटेन sublimity. The main cause and concern of Longinus' critical essay on the sublime is to attain sublimity, a time of when you feel transported to another realm. You have, your style is like that, your poetry is like that, you have emotions and passions all mingled together. There are 5 aspects with which you can attain sublimity. लेकिन Alexander Pope did not spare. Alexander Pope criticized, parodied the main work written by Longinus, that is on sublime. And then we have Alexander Pope's another important work, the Dunciad, written the Dunciad. Because I am dealing with the complete works of Alexander Pope, you will say कि नेहा मैम ने years को बीच में छोड़ दिया. You people will let me know the years after Rape of Lock जब ये works publish हुए हैं. The Dunciad is another mock heroic poem written by, because Pope came out with an edition on Shakespeare that was highly criticized by Lewis Theobald, and in his work Shakespeare Restored, because Alexander Pope was criticized by Lewis Theobald, he cannot take it. That is why he came with a work, the Dunciad. And after Dunciad we have the Essay on Man. This is a short capsule content, reliable during this time when quick revisions are going on. Just subscribe to my channel, switch this video on, and Alexander Pope will be revised. There is not even a single work that is left out in this chronology, in this list of works. हाँ जी, translation रह गई है Virgil की, जो Alexander Pope ने take out की है. His early works were basically the translations that he did, but इन्होंने Shakespeare पर एक edition निकाला है, Virgil के works को translate करने का ट्राई किया है, बट कुछ मिस्टेक्स रह गई थी. बट Alexander Pope could not take that criticism, and that is why he came out with the work Dunciad. An Essay on Man is a philosophical essay divided into 4 epistles. Epistle is dedicated to man and universe. Second epistle is dedicated to man and himself. Third is dedicated to man and society. And fourth is dedicated to man and happiness. And his last work is Epistle to Dr. Arthur-Bernot. Epistle to Dr. Arthur-Bernot. This work is also very important. It's a work that has the criticism of जोसेफ एडिसन. जोसेफ एडिसन के वर्क का, जोसेफ एडिसन का हमें इस वर्क में क्रिटिसिज्म मिलता है अंडर द टाइटल एटिकस, PYQ. एटिकस कौन है? अलेक्जेंडर पोप का एटिकस. ये है Joseph Edison. Joseph Edison is basically the Atticus character created in the work Epistle to Dr. Arthur-Bernot. Now we come to the end of this video. I hope you like this video. All the reviews and comments are most welcome because the clock is ticking. Let me know कौन से नेक्स्ट राइटर की क्विक रिवीजन लेकर के आए हम. दिस इज अ सीरीज दैट वी आर रनिंग सिंस यू हैव ऑलरेडी गॉन थ्रू मच डिटेल अबाउट ईच एंड एवरी एज एंड राइटर. इट्स टाइम टू रिवाइज द की राइटर्स. Dryden, Pope. For John Milton, you can go to my channel and look out for the complete video lecture on John Milton entitled in part 1 and part 2. For Origin and Growth of Dharma, you can also visit my channel for that. For today's, I call it a day. Have a nice day. Keep preparing well. Good luck. Good night.